I'm standing outside Arkadia Towers, a luxury apartment in the vibrant Chicago West Loop Greektown neighborhood. Just steps away, you'll find some of the most popular Greek restaurants. Directly across the street is a 24-hour Walgreens, with easy walkability to Whole Foods and H Mart, an Asian grocery store. As you enter the front door of the unit, you'll find a spacious full-size bathroom. The bathroom offers plenty of space for two people to use comfortably. It features large contemporary tiles on the floor, a white tile bathtub, a tall vanity, and a comfort height toilet. Moving south into the first bedroom, you'll notice a large window, a closet, and a thermostat control setting. The wood luxury vinyl flooring continues seamlessly throughout, offering a great sound-absorbing feature. Entering the main area, you'll discover the kitchen and living area, bathed in natural light from the east exposure, with Willis Tower visible to the right and south exposure. The chef-inspired kitchen boasts white quartz countertops, two-tone cabinetry with soft closed drawers and cabinet doors, Frigidaire stainless steel appliances, gas stoves, and a white glass mosaic tile backsplash. Heading north into the primary bedroom with an ensuite, you'll find large windows facing east and a generous closet with French doors. The room is spacious enough for a queen-size bed and a nightstand. The attached ensuite bathroom is larger than the first bathroom, featuring the same contemporary design. However, it has a walk-in shower rather than a bathtub. The vanity provides ample storage space, along with room for a hamper or basket. Wrapping up the tour of this stunning two-bed, two-bath unit at Arkadia Towers, you'll see how its modern design, abundant natural light, and thoughtful layout create the perfect city retreat in the heart of the West Loop. Beyond the unit, Arkadia offers more than just luxurious living spaces, it provides a full lifestyle experience. Start by enjoying the stylish community lounge, a perfect spot to relax or gather with friends. Nearby, you'll find the resident kitchen, ideal for hosting and preparing meals. As you pass the resident business center and convenience store, stocked with food and beverage options 24/7, you'll arrive at the state-of-the-art fitness center, equipped with techno gym cardio and strength training equipment. Finally, step outside to the resort-inspired sundeck and the largest pool in the West Loop, where you can unwind by the fire pit or enjoy outdoor dining in the private grill areas, rounding out the ultimate Arkadia experience. Head to the apartment's website in the description below to view rates and floor plans. Visit yochicago.com for expert leasing assistance and find your perfect luxury apartment today.